Here's how to install one of Micanan's coolest new products, the wireless push-button station. Step 1, install the antenna. Comes free in the box. Step 2, turn the dial to B2. Step 3, remove the cover. Step 4, insert the batteries. And Step 5, close the cover. Step 6, press and hold the learn button for 3 seconds until the red light turns solid. Step 7, press open on the push button and you've connected them. To make sure, the red light should flash. Step 8, test the buttons, close, stop. 2 out of 3, good enough for me. Wasn't that easy? Thanks for watching.